Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. First breakfast at the Bear's Den, in bed. It's about 6:45. It's just starting to light up outside. Something healthy, using stevia and fresh berries as well as dried berries. Make your Peace and Freedom Friday safe, healthy, and blessed in abundance. Media, much love. Blessed be. Support our BIPOC and low-income integral wellness campaign by making a love offering to $Hetep Yoga. Many thanks. Give this video a like and send us a life-affirming, kind, and inspiring comment. Blessed be.